Hi, everyone. I'm Yvette with Carrillo Group Real Estate, and welcome back to our September monthly market report.
And I'm Robert. We held out a little longer to release this report so that we know the Federal Reserve's actions of today. We've been sharing these market reports with you since the spring, providing real data with professional insight. We take the national news and make it relevant to San Bernardino and the Inland Empire.
Absolutely. We hope these market reports have been helpful, especially in navigating the constantly changing market. So let's dive into what's going on this month.
First, mortgage rates. Over the past couple of years, with inflation up, the Federal Reserve helped push mortgage rates up. Now, with inflation going down, it's below 3%. You should expect the Fed to help bring mortgage rates down. Second, inventory. That balance is shifting, so we'll discuss that. Third, we'll share insights into what buyers and sellers should expect as we enter the fall season.
In August, Federal Reserve Chairman Powell hinted that we could see rates cut soon, which is big news in real estate. Well, that soon is today, September 18th, and the Fed did indeed cut the Treasury rate by 0.5%. While that rate isn't the mortgage rate, it does mean you should expect a drop in mortgage rates too. And many economists expect the Fed to cut rates 2 or even 3 more times by the end of the year. This should make everyone happy, buyers and sellers.
Mortgage rates have already dropped to around 6%. We have clients who've secured rates under 6% with great credit. It was over 7.5% earlier this year. This makes a big difference for buyers. Look, if you were looking to borrow $500,000 in April, your monthly payment would have been around $3,500. Today, that same loan amount would cost you just over $3,100, saving you about $400 a month. You could look at it as saving $400 or as needing $400 less, right? So maybe your income could be $16,000 to $20,000 less for you to afford that loan.
Buyers, keep in mind, as rates trend down, buyers who paused their home search last year will likely re-enter the market. And that demand should put downward pressure on supply. Don't forget that we work with lenders in San Bernardino and throughout the IE, so reach out if you need assistance.
Before then, though, today we're moving towards a more balanced market, which means it's not just favoring sellers anymore. Mortgage rates have something to do with the increase in supply, interestingly. Lower rates mean homeowners can now also go out shopping. They're no longer beholden to the mortgage rates that they currently have. End of summer also usually sees a slowdown, so homes stay on the market longer, keeping that inventory up. For sellers, working with a realtor who will price your home correctly is key.
Absolutely. If you price your home too high, it could sit on the market longer, and you might end up having to reduce the price anyway. On the flip side, if you price it right from the start, it's more likely to sell quickly and attract more interest.
As we look inward towards San Bernardino and the IE, we firmly believe home values year over year will appreciate. There will be months of decreasing values, but again, year over year and years, you'll see appreciation. At the beginning of the year, I predicted a 5 to 10% year over year gain in San Bernardino. And I've been making that prediction of 5 to 10% in San Bernardino since 2020. And today we're around 6% for the year in San Bernardino.
National news, especially around inflation, rates, and the economy, does impact our local real estate market. But the IE is its own entity. The IE has always been a destination for LA and OC folks looking for affordability, and that by itself will continue to drive values up. But there are a lot of good things here happening already and in the works. So we should continue seeing appreciation and less affordability. So folks will have to get even more creative to get into homeownership.
The median price of a home in the IE in August was $625,000. That's up 4% from last year. The price per square foot, it was $355, and that's up over 5.5% from last year. In San Bernardino, the median price is $505,000. That's up 13%. And it's $361 per square foot, which is up 8%. And you can already see that there's a big difference in the pricing within the IE, meaning that there's more affordability still in San Bernardino compared to the rest of the IE, which should bring more people here. The bottom line is that whether you're buying or selling, now is the time to start planning. If you're a buyer, take advantage of the improving market conditions. If you're a seller, Make sure your home is priced correctly to attract the right buyers.
Exactly. It's all about being informed and working with an expert who understands the market. We're here to help you navigate these changes and make the best decisions for your real estate goals. Thank you for tuning into our September monthly market report. If there are any questions or want to discuss your real estate needs, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and we're now on TikTok. We made the leap. So we'll keep you informed there. Until next time.
We're Carrillo Group CGX, where we do real estate with purpose. Bye for now.